Hello, welcome back. So in the previous video, now we were working on projecting or getting this intersection of arbitrary, curve, spline, in a surface. And when we were exporting, we didn't manage to get the OBJ STL, and I think I found the problem. So the VTK works, and just to show you, so you get the VTK, and if I try to export this one, so let me go this one, so just let me reproduce the issue, and let me get this one, let me save it here, OBJ, yes, and if I try to open this one, I don't get anything, okay? So will this end with the STL? When we were working in Linux, we got it. For some reason, VTK, or another reason right now, doesn't get that. But to fix this issue, when you export here, save data, okay, give it a name, okay, and here choose array to write, deselect this option. So there's one of these options that for some reason give problems, and now I save it, I deselected that option, and there you go, you have it. Okay, and to show you again, so save state, save data, and now let's do it as STL, and I will go call it now set, and choose array, deselect everything, okay, and put it there. Okay, so this one, the STL doesn't save. Okay, you have to be the SVG, or actually, yeah, the OBJ, you said you can save the lines. The STL, yeah, the STL by definition is true, you doesn't get that data. So in any case, if you're trying, now that in previous video we're getting the problem when we projected and then tried to save it in OBJ, it didn't save. We save it in BTK. BTK is perfectly valid, just always work. It works here, and also you can use a OBJ. Okay, the STL doesn't work, and to show you again how it works, since you go here, search, you go resample. Okay, resample with dataset. So let me use the sale point data. If I will recall the previous video, I used this one, that it was the self-centered data, and I want to project it in this one, and there you go. I think we have the data, and this here, we put the MAC number, and now we can go in this resample, we can order, we can go plot on sorted lines, apply, and okay, easy peasy. So as you see, you start to get muscle memory, and since now are quite fast. There you go. So now also let me put the MAC number here, and remember that you need to change the axis, and there you go. So split here, I put the table, let me turn on the selection and select here, and now I go, it's moving, and there you go. So it's moving, you have it here, how it's falling. So be careful also now in the resample that you use the point or self-centered data. Previous video, if I will recall, it was self-centered, but pretty much it's up to you. There you go. So an easy fix to save in the OBJ. So it's just that the issue that deselect now when you go save data, for some reason, okay, the OBJ, you need to deselect all that stuff. Okay, well, that's all. So thank you, see you next time, bye.